Hi, this is a video of Mike's Breckwell P-24 Pellet Stove Controller, which he sent me for repairs and which the repairs have been completed. I'm going to turn it on and we'll see that some of the lights will come on after I power it up. Sorry, I had it on already, so I'll turn it on. And there we have the convection fan and the combustion fan on. My lights simulating each. There's the combustion and there's the convection, and I have the auger light. So with manual feed I'm able to turn the auger light on and off by pressing the manual feed button up. And because I'm in low mode on my setting, if I put the high fan on, that light will go bright. So we can see that that works as well. So I'll go ahead and I'll press the auger button. That turns on the green light up above, and we wait a minute or so before it automatically starts feeding pellets. And we'll see that because the little green light inside here will turn green and the light will come on, the auger motor light in yellow there. So I'm just waiting for that to happen. And once that does, well, there we go, green light. Light off. So we'll wait for it to cycle one more time, and then I'll turn it to max so that the light stays on a little longer. There it is. So I'll go to max. We see the intensity light for the convection fan stays on a little brighter. Now next time it comes on, the auger will drive a little bit longer. So we'll be able to see the light down here come on. There it is, and the auger motor light is on. So that's it. It looks like it's fully functional. I'm going to return it to Mike. Thanks for watching.